And the kid I grew up with, he was coming down to the Kentucky post office to go in the Air Force. He says, why don't you come in? So I went in there and they said, oh, there's golf courses on all the bases. I said, sign me up. They took me in the service with flat feet, and I was having back problems and everything. I played football in the service too. I enjoy sports. I love to play. I played softball, baseball there, and football. But they cut the program out in football because of the fact too many guys were getting hurt. I had a lot of pain. It hurt to walk. I had surgery on both feet, 4 times each one. And then I had a partial knee replacement on this one. I went to the VA hospital in Boston. This nurse told me, try these shoes on. They may help you out. The last time he adjusted them, they were perfect. The pain, it seized up. When I'm wearing the shoes, I have very little pain, like if at all, 2 or 3. But without the shoes, my pain goes to 6 or 7, 8. I tell them, try it. I'll tell them, try it. Like I've been, it's got a clear blue sky, I tried it, So I says, give it a try, see what happens.